Hi Leos, this is your December 2021 career reading. I'm going to look at the cards that have come out for you. These tarot cards came out for you while I was divinating for the sun sign of Leo, the tropical sun sign, the moon sign, Venus sign, and everyone was incorporated in that divination. However, this reading will more resonate because it's a career reading, it's overall life abundance situation, livelihood situation. So the sun sign of Leo will resonate with this reading, and the moon sign and the other placements in your chart where you have Leo, they will resonate with this in terms of their emotions or their willpower and things like that. So when I discuss that, that will be resonating with them. So let's see what this what are the energies and what exactly you will feel in this month of December regarding your profession, regarding what you do to earn your money and how you keep your money and what's the abundance situation. So one card that came out for you from the Lenormand is number 22. This is the path card. This came out for another sun sign. I'm not remembering, but it had come out. So the path card means decisive choice, start of business. Okay, so don't waste time on a decision that must be taken as soon as possible. You are trying to make a decisive professional choice. It's risky, but it's right. Confirmation of your position will take place. Business trip can happen. Grand sporting success for people who do sports. For them, it can happen. Or it could be a kind of victory which you get in your profession. That is what I am seeing. So, people who. So, regarding success, this card is saying in this month there will be a surprise business trip, news of appointment, unexpected sporting victory. So sporting is definitely there. Choices made beforehand assure you success, public recognition, and a trustworthy person who works for you. You could start trusting that person. That is what it is saying. Financial peace, savings are managed by traditional methods. Some advantageous proposal, excellent auction purchases for some of you. Secure economic situation, grant yourself hard earned luxuries. That is what it is saying. So, let's see what is your tarot saying. So Lenormand is giving you a good verdict for this month. What is Lenormand saying? What is the tarot saying? The tarot says in your headspace right now you have the sun. So sun means you are happy, easygoing at this moment. Things are looking up for you. You are feeling pretty sunny. So you are in a joyous atmosphere. Some of you are taking vacations because this is vacation time. Some of you are happy at home. Some of you are the if I see two cards together, the fool and the sun, and the fool is in reverse, this means that you are in a paradise like situation, and it is quite an easygoing situation. Not for everyone, but some of you are taking life very easy, or your job is easy. I don't know, you are happy in it, but there is some regret regarding this situation, because some of you don't see any growth happening, nothing is happening. So neither it is good nor it is bad, but generally you are happy in the profession you are doing. So there is not much you can do about it. And some of you tried, but it didn't work out in so you are thinking about that. What's the point of trying something when I'm happy here? That kind of feeling is there. I'm not sure whether all of you are feeling that. So why it's happening is because in the past you were in this devil situation, which is coming in reverse now. Something was shackling you, something was trapping you. You were insecure, you were scared that if you take that step, if you take that leap of faith, I will fail. So there is a kind of vulnerability. You are giving up on some situation because of insecurity, but this insecurity is ending. This is ending. Something new will start for you. new association, new work. Someone is trying to seek you out. That is what I see. Some of you getting information about a new proposal regarding your work. So you are in two minds at the moment, because in the outcome also I'm seeing decision has to be made. Some of you are in this situation, two of swords, or it will come to you. So some information about a new situation is developing for you in your otherwise good life. This situation will come and create conflict. So new proposal of someone new, a new proposal of a new beginning will come to you, which will start giving you conflict. So the easygoing situation is ridden with one problem, that is to whether to leave this or whether to go towards a new thing. So you are getting happiness and success. I am seeing 10 of pentacles situation happening. You are creating your wealth. Some of you have bought your house, some of you are happy in your family, some of you are doing all right, because money is coming in, but money is very slow. Money is very slow. It comes in very slowly, but it adds to your 10 of pentacles. This could be a situation that some of you have inheritance, some of you are supported by your spouses, some of you are supported with family money. So the money comes in slowly, you work hard for it, you are not in this situation that whether I should look up a new job or try to find a new option. So you are not very inclined, because you are tied to something. You are tied to something, and now you are kind of leaving that. Now you are trying to get out of, maybe some of you, laziness, some of you the fear of going out, fear of trying or seeking out new things. So you are reversing that. You are trying to go, you are trying to seek. The judgment is taking place. Adaptation to new possibilities will happen. The clarion call will be heard by you. You will try to get yourself out of insecurity, laziness, being shackled to old situations, comfort zones, and you will be going towards something new. Options will come up for you. Options are coming up for you. Don't get confused. Opportunities will come to you. In this month of December, some of you have the possibility of getting into a new situation with Four of Wands, new partnership, opportunity of getting a reward, a beneficial result of something you did back then. It is bringing you good results. Reunion with people, buying of a home, by getting a property. Something will start for you which will create an atmosphere of victory or success. So the success is coming towards you. Victory over odds is happening. Some of you leaving addictions, leaving laziness. Some of you are getting out of shackled situation in a job, trying to get towards new opportunity, trying your hand in new things. That is what I am seeing. And your energy will be very positive, very Martian, expecting something to happen for you. So victory, success, going towards success, going towards new opportunity, getting a promotion, accepting a transfer, going towards a new partnership, seeking out expansion is happening in your month of December, Leos. So what will happen as the outcome is, some of you will be walking away from old situations that are stagnant, that are not growing, that are sometimes disappointing you. So you will be able to walk away from that for a new goal, new focus that you will get. Two of Cups is, an opportunity is brewing, a new beginning is brewing up. Communications have started. Good communication regarding a new opportunity has started. You have to make a decision, a responsible choice for which you will be responsible. Whether it is good or bad, that will be realized later, but you will be on a crossroad, on this path of success, where you have to make that decision, whether to live with family, go away from family, whether to leave the old job, get to a new job, whether to change your profession, whether to change from job to business, whether to go from business to job, whether to stop studying and start doing work, whatever is your scenario, you are going to make a life altering choice, my dear Leos. So some of you have gone through, angels are saying, some of you have gone through a loss period, or some of you have not managed your money properly. So you have some debts or loans which you have to pay off. So now is the time that you are seeing reality. You are getting out of your illusory energies, your happiness energies, or your not doing much energy, your fearful energy, uncertain energy. You are getting out of that, because a new opportunity is coming for you, motivation is coming for you. This is Leo energy of motivation, Leo energy of grabbing that opportunity, grabbing that fiery want, that passionate want to go towards something in your career for your success. So growth opportunities coming in, the world will happen for you. It is in your charts. Saturn is going to give you a result. The cycle which you were in is going to end, and a new cycle of upliftment, success, new opportunity abroad, new opportunity in the distance, an opportunity from the distance is coming in for some of you. So your geography, your terrain, your work, your living situation for some of you is going to take a full turn. It is going to, one situation is going to end, another situation is going to start, new thing is starting in your life, and the works are already underway. You just need to make, you have to get out of your comfort zone, think of expansion, go towards the thing that will satisfy you, that will be, you will feel passion regarding that work. So decision is in your hands, my dear Leos. Opportunity will be knocking at your door. New situation is definite in this coming period. How is your money looking? Your money is growing. Your money is growing. It is stable, but a new approach is required to make it grow or multiply. That is what angels are saying. So that is your situation in money. So I hope you have liked this reading. If you have liked this reading, please like and subscribe. If you have something to say to me, write it in the comment box. People who have problems with their money or career situation can contact me and get a clarity. If you really require a clarity at this moment, leave in a request in the comment box. I will tell you how to book my readings. These are prepaid, pre-booked and pre-slotted readings. So come in earnest and come with seriousness, because I don't want people asking me frivolous questions. So if you are really in trouble, or you are really at a crossroad and you have to make a decision, for that you can come to me for advice and to see a little bit of what is going to come to you. And people who are missing out my readings, please do subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Bye bye.